Okay, so when you open your Canva, this is what you get for the first time. So we have create, we have home, we have project, we have template. So you the create is where you create anything you want. When you want a new project like a book, you want to edit anything, you start with create. I need to open the workspace for you. Home, which is where we are right now, it's got everything you need to start with Canva. Project is the projects that you are working on. If you are new to Canva, any project that you do is going to show on this folder. Templates, it's got a whole lot of templates to choose from. If you want to do presentation, if you want poster, if you want to do your resume, if you want to make your email, if you want to make a logo, if you want some Instagram post, Instagram story, landscape video, which is the YouTube video. If you're doing a presentation or you're doing a TikTok video, you can find all of them here. That's where you start with Canva. You can design a school and then you can award people certificates after they have taken your course, and then your dreamland. Here you type whatever you like and it will produce images for you effortlessly. So in a sense, you don't need to actually pay for a whole lot of other apps that you some of us are paying for. This is the new thing that has been introduced. So for instance, describe the image in your mind and I'll bring it to life. Something very simple. To create an image, let's see. Oh, a cat, a cat in in suits and bow tie. And then we'll go and select our cinematic, and let's say we're doing that for TikTok, and then we can hit generate. You wait for it to generate, and there you have it. Okay, you've got it. Also has the video concept, but this is not the reason why we're here. We are going to start we can start with start your free trial for £0 if you want the paid version. After 3 months, I think you're going to have to pay £13 every month for using it, but you can cancel it anytime. Before the 3 months, you can use um the full premium features for 3 months, which after you can cancel it if you want to be smart. So today we're going to edit a little bit of video. So we click on create. We're going to do a um social media video. We want to do a landscape, which is for YouTube. We have the TikTok. If you want a book, you choose booklet. If you want a presentation, if you want flyers, like we have already said, YouTube shorts, everything that you need to do. So let's do for YouTube. So that opens the workspace for you. This is your workspace. So you've got your templates. If you want to just pick a template, all of this is available. You can just pick your templates and then you can continue from there. All right, so we want to import our videos. We want to import the video that we want to edit. So you click on upload. There you got. Then you click on upload file, which will take you straight to your gallery on your computer. Probably go to downloads, wherever you saved your videos. Yeah. Then you can choose the files that you want. You can choose the files that you want. I've got some videos on my desktop inside Kelly Kids. I'll open that and then look for my videos, and then I'll open that. These are all the videos I've got in there. These are all the videos I've got in there. So I'll click on it and everything will appear over here. I've got all the videos I need to do. I need to work on. Everything just landed in here. So let's see if we want to start with this. Just click it and Canva will bring it. If you want to add another one, just click another one, just click another one, just click another one. But be sure you've saved your videos in orderly manner so that you don't miss them. You need to, like I'm watching it like that, it plays the video for me to know which one goes first and which one goes next. But in case you miss them, for instance, I'm supposed to put this one here and then I placed it here. You just drag it and bring it wherever you want to, and you leave it there, so it changes the position. But I don't want this here, so I'll take that back to the back. Okay, so let's have a look at what we've done right now.
Yay, Kelly Kids TV! Mom, Dad, where?
Okay, so that's exactly what we've got right now. Now let's add our voice, our audio. Add audio. Yeah, you go back to uploads. You can also click on this upload, go to your file, and then you get it. It's the same thing. Add audio, it opens that same tab for you. So you just click and then you go to audio. Make sure you select audio. All right, and then you can go into upload file and then go to wherever you saved your project and go and get the songs. Okay, so we are doing the knock knock sound today, so we're gonna put that song on there. Now it's uploaded, so let's see what we've got. The voices from here should be loud at the moment, but we can minimize the voice so that it doesn't get distracted.
Knock, knock, say, who is there? Stop, don't open. Be aware, Kelly heard someone called her name. She walked close, then stopped right there. Something felt not the same. Think first, don't rush, stay calm, don't touch. No, no, don't open the door. Run, run, call mom for sure. Wait, wait, stay right there. Safe kids show they care. No, no, don't open the door. Loud, loud, call for help more. Hi. Stop, stop, think again. Stay safe till mom comes in. Let's dance. Open up, the stranger said, I know your mommy too. Kelly shook her head and said, no.
Yeah, so that's just for the basics. That's just for the basics. And you know, the voices in the main video is very loud, the ones we got from Grok. So we're gonna mute those ones. If you don't want to mute it, you can reduce the volume. Like this one, I want to have it in a little bit of, just reduce the voice, and then we can leave it at that. And then we can also have this and reduce that, or mute it, just mute it. And then you do same for all the rest. You do same for all the rest. There you've got, you mute that, you mute that. Yeah. And then let's add some transitions. As it is, you just click add transition, and then you can choose whichever transition you so desire. Okay, let's do it. Dissolve and increase the duration just a little bit. Doesn't, you don't need to do that, but makes it a little bit smoother. So I'll leave it at this, and then I'll apply it in between all the, apply it to all the.
Knock, knock, say, who is there? Stop, don't open. Be aware, Kelly heard a knock one day. Someone called her name. She walked close, then stopped right there. Something felt not the same. Think first, don't rush, stay calm, don't touch. No, no, don't open the door. Run, run, call mom for sure.
Okay, so now we've got our video all put together. Basically, that's all you need to do when it comes to Canva. Don't stress yourself about any other thing. Just do, you just bring your videos, you click on uploads, and then you bring your files. It takes you to your, and then you bring your files, and then you can add your audio. You go back to uploads, you go to audio. If you don't have the audio you're doing here, you just need to go back and then select your audio and come and add it, just as I did. After that, you need to import your video. Go to share, and then you can download your video. Download. Okay, then you can download your video. It has to be MP4 video, like the app is saying suggested. So you need to actually keep it that way. Don't change it. And the quality is already preset, unless if you want a low quality or a higher quality, which you will need to pay for. But this is just fine. So everything I've done, I want to lock these settings so that when I'm downloading and I haven't even set up anything, this is default though, but for whatever reason might change, but you want to lock that, and then you can. Okay, so because we didn't change anything, you don't need to save anything. So you download your video, allow it to download. Allow it to download. Okay, now it's downloaded into MP4 file. So you save it, just want to leave it in my downloads, but you can create a folder and put that in. So now I've got my video all set, so I can leave Canva. All right, I can leave Canva because we set it up. Anytime you open it, it's already set up. Okay, so we just close that, and then we can go and look for our video and see if we did a good job with that. Okay, so let's open. This is it. There's the video we just made. So
Knock, knock, city. Who is there? Stop, don't open. Be aware. Kelly heard a knock one day. Someone called her name. She walked close, then stopped right there. Something felt not the same. Think first. Don't rush. Stay calm. Don't touch. No, no, don't open the door. Run, run, call mom for sure. Wait, wait, stay right there. Safe kids show they care. No, no, don't open the door. Loud, loud, call for help more. Hi. Stop, stop, think again. Stay safe till mom comes in. Open up, the stranger said, I know your mommy too. Kelly shook her head and said, that's not.
okay, so that's our video. In another video, we're going to upload that on our YouTube channel in our next video.